T-Mobile usage updates often lag due to how data is processed. The My T-Mobile app relies on synchronization with T-Mobile's billing systems, and delays occur primarily due to batch processing of data, network load, and caching issues. Instead of real-time updates, data usage is processed in batches due to the massive volume of transactions. This can cause records to be delayed by hours or even days. Particularly at the end of billing cycles when reconciliations occur. The My T-Mobile app stores temporary data locally to reduce loading times. However, this cached data can become outdated, displaying incorrect information. This is why manual refreshes or forced syncing with T-Mobile's servers are necessary to retrieve the most current data. If your T-Mobile usage isn't updating, start by ensuring you have a strong cellular or Wi-Fi connection, as a poor signal can worsen delays. Next, try restarting the My T-Mobile app or rebooting your device to clear any temporary glitches. A key step is to clear the app's cache in the settings, which forces a fresh data fetch from T-Mobile's servers. T-Mobile has introduced a force refresh feature in the My T-Mobile app, version 11.8 and later. Use this to manually sync your data. Lastly, ensure your app is up to date to maintain compatibility with T-Mobile's backend changes. If issues persist, contact T-Mobile support for account-specific assistance or consider a SIM swap.